In this video, let's take a closer look at the configuration section in Zoho PageSense and how you can use it to control where, when, and how your pop-up appears. Now we're in the configuration section. This is where you control how your pop-up works. First, choose the target pages, which decides where the pop-up should appear. You can apply it to the entire domain, target a specific page using its URL, or exclude pages where you don't want the pop-up to show. Next, set the trigger condition. PageSense provides preset trigger options. You can trigger the pop-up on page entry, on page exit, after a visitor scrolls through the page, or after a time delay. You also have the option to use a custom trigger. If you want to choose a new custom trigger, create one here by giving it a name and select from the segments provided. For example, you can trigger the pop-up when a visitor spends a certain amount of time on the page and trigger it immediately on page entry using your custom logic. Finally, define the response behavior. This controls how often the pop-up is shown to a visitor. You can choose to show the pop-up until the visitor completes it. You can choose to show it even if the visitor has previously responded. You can limit the pop-up to show only once per visitor, or you can set the pop-up to appear a specific number of times. These options help you control the frequency of your pop-ups so they stay effective without overwhelming your visitors. Once this is configured, you're ready to move to the next step. For more queries, reach out to the support team.